Hello guys, and welcome to my first video on this channel. Today this video will be an overview of the Logitech G413 TKL SE. Hope you enjoy. So this is one problem with this keyboard is that the keys are quite high, and yeah, it's hard to reach your hand. It gets strained on you. The switches on these keyboard are brown switches. They're quite clicky, but they're also quite satisfying. This is just another look at the keyboard, like the metal material on the keyboard, like zooming in there on the keyboard. Yeah, this is just the box, and when you open it, I obviously don't have the keyboard in then because I was using it for the video, but you normally get the keyboard, the wire, and then some manuals to set it up. This is just another one of me opening the keyboard. This is how the keyboard looks with the LEDs on. Now it looks kind of clean. There's no option for coloured LEDs. It's just white LEDs. It's just a POV of me gaming on the keyboard. I was on Roblox Rivals. Comment down below if you want to see a video being made on Roblox Rivals. I don't play it that much, but I just thought it would fit the video perfectly. So yeah, hope you enjoyed the review, and see you next time.